Hey, I don't want to waste anyone's time. You already know my live workshop Clarity Now is open for enrollment and that it can help you connect to your higher, greater power, your soul, ancestors and spirit guides. And if you find yourself thinking, I don't know, Louise, I've never met you before, you just landed in my feed 30 seconds ago, can this really work for me? And I can say yes. I guarantee you that as you follow the Clarity Now process, you will get the answers, clarity and guidance you're looking for. Or I'll give you your money back. No questions asked. Then you have to ask yourself, what have I got to lose? But I don't want you to take my word for it, take theirs.
I would say, without any delay, if you can sign up for her class, do it.